Number 2, Rihanna and Drake PDA on stage. Miss Scotch Bright. So Rihanna and Drake have been getting more and more comfortable on stage since the VMA Awards a few days ago when Rihanna swerved Drake's lips like Neo from the Matrix. Rihanna was keeping it gangster, and Drake was being like, oh my god, Riri, I love you so much. She turns around, sees Drake, walks towards him, and box cover. It finally happened. She decides to plant one on Drake's lips. Mwah.
Finally, it's happened to me.
No, from a look on the little mushy something there between the two of them, you can tell so them just done oak. Or dogo. And for those of you not really familiar with patois, dogo and oak basically means sex. Mimbola Breadfoot, at one point during the concert, this happened.
Do it now.
Quick question, Popcorn, me know say weed is your best friend, but will Drake still be after this? Or will you turn a blind eye like Alkaline?
Bad man no share them grades with no meat eater.
Cool no man, Donia, I can't deal with one more feud now. Popcorn and DeMarco and Movada done a feud already.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it, it's too soon. Sorry for what's real. I was trying to end it all. I spit all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling.